Indian Independence Act was passed on 18 July 1947. Partition Plan or June 3 Plan came in 1947. Cabinet Mission came on 16 May 1946. Delhi Convention came in April 1946. Lord Canning was the first lord towards subcontinent. In 1886, Congress was established by A.O. Hume and first president was Banerjee. Currently, Sonia Gandhi is leader of Congress. Partition of Bengal in 1905 under Lord Curzon on the reason of administrative issues. Minto-Marley reforms came in 1909. The first Governor General in India of Bengal was Warren Hastings. The first official Governor General of British India was Lord William Bentick, and the first Governor General of the Dominion of India was Lord Mountbatten. Foundation of Muslim League by Sir Agha Khan in Dacca in 1906. First session held in Karachi. Sir Agha Khan was the first president of Muslim League. Muhammad Ali Khan was second and Muhammad Ali Jinnah was third in 1916. Annulment of Partition of Bengal in 1911 by Lord Hardinge. Hindu Mahasabha founded in 1915. First Battle of Panipat on 21 April 1526 was fought between Babar and Lodi. Second Battle of Panipat was fought on November 1556 was fought between Hemu and Akbar. Third Battle of Panipat on 14 January 1761 between Marathas and Shuja'ud-Dawla. Lucknow Pact came in 1916. Jallianwala Bagh Massacre held on 13 April 1919. Kanpur Incident occurred on 20 July 1913. Moplah Rebellion occurred in August 1921. Khilafat movement started 1919 and ended in 1924 by Mustafa Kamal Pasha. First Indian S.P. Sinha was appointed as Lieutenant Governor of Bihar. Chauri-Chaura incident occurred on 5th Feb 1922. RSS was founded by Hajwa in 1925. First Roundtable Conference held in 1930, second in 1931, third in 1932, and all held in London. Gandhi-Irwin Pact held on 5 March 1931. Govt of India Act came in 1935.